Good morning, student. In last lecture, we start our new lesson, angle. Correct. Then in that, we see about the edges, then vertex. Okay, and how to read the angle. Today, we are going to learn the different types of angle. Means types of angle. In that one, we see a zero angle, then acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, straight angle, reflex angle, and full or complete angle. Means already you know about the three angle. Correct? Which three angle you learn in last year? Yes, very good. Acute angle, right angle, and obtuse angle. Today with this angle, we will take the more information about zero angle, straight angle, reflex angle, full or the complete angle. First we see the zero angle. See here, if you observe this figure, then in that one the figure any angle is not there. Any angle is not there between that one sticks. Two ticks are there, but any angle is not there. Means see here, the angle between that one the stick, that's why it is said to be the zero angle. Means the measure of the zero angle is written as 0 degree. Means the measure of zero angle is written as 0 degree. Means 0 degree angle, it is said to be a zero angle. A zero angle. Now anybody tell me what is mean by the acute angle? To which angle we say the acute angle? Yes, very good. Means an angle greater than 0 degree. An angle greater than 0 degree but less than 90 degree is called acute angle. Is called acute angle. If you observe this one figure, this is the acute angle. This is the less than 90 degree but more than 0 degree. This is the more than 0 degree but less than 90 degree. Such a type of angle it is said to be the acute angle. Such a type of angle it is said to be acute angle. Then tell me the definition of right angle. Yes, an angle of 90 degree. Very good. An angle of 90 degree is called right angle. An angle of 90 degree is called right angle. See this figure. This is the right angle. This is the right angle. Means an angle of 90 degree. Then next, this is the obtuse angle. All of you know what is mean by obtuse angle now. See, the acute angle means greater than 0 degree, less than 90 degree. Right angle means an angle of 90 degree. An angle of 90 degree. And obtuse angle means the angle greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. But less than 180 degree. Such angle is said to be obtuse angle. Such angle it is said to be obtuse angle. All of you understood? Now see the next one, straight angle. Straight angle. If you observe this figure, okay, then in between that one's two sticks, which one angle is formed, it is said to be the straight angle. It is said to be the straight angle. Means the an angle of 180 degree. An angle of 180 degree, it is said to be a straight angle. It is said to be straight angle. An angle of 180 degree. An angle of 180 degree, it is said to be the straight angle. Then next one, a reflex angle. Reflex angle. Now see this, in this one two stick, this one angle we see, this is the reflex angle. Now what is the definition of reflex angle? See the angle, an angle which is greater than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. An angle greater than 180 degree and less than 360 degree, such an angle is said to be reflex angle. Such an angle is said to be a reflex angle. All of you understood? Straight angle means what? An angle of 180 degree. 180 degree. That angle is said to be straight angle. Then reflex angle greater than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. Such angle is said to be reflex angle. And then the last one, this is the complete or full angle. Complete or full angle. If you see, this is the complete angle. Okay, means an angle of 360 degree. An angle of 360 degree is said to be complete angle. An angle of 360 degree, it is said to be the complete angle. All of you understood? See, today we see the types of angle. In that we see zero angle, acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, straight angle, reflex angle, and last one, full or complete angle. Okay, zero angle means angle of 0 degree. It is said to be the zero angle. Then acute angle means less than 90 degree, means greater than 0 degree but less than 90 degree. Such a type of angle is said to be acute angle. Then next one, right angle. An angle of 90 degree. An angle of 90 degree is said to be right angle. It is said to be right angle. Then obtuse angle. Obtuse angle, now what is meant by obtuse angle? Angle of means the measure of angle is greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. The angle, this one, greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree, such an angle is said to be obtuse angle. Then straight angle, an angle of 180 degree. Straight angle means what? An angle of 180 degree. Such an angle is said to be straight angle. Such an angle is said to be straight angle. Then next one, reflex angle. Reflex angle means an angle greater than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. An angle greater than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. Such an angle is said to be reflex angle. Such an angle is said to be reflex angle. And last one, full or complete angle. An angle of 360 degree. An angle of 360 degrees said to be complete or full angle. Complete or full angle. All of you understood types of angle? Okay. Now see, these questions are there. This one, practice set number 2, you have to solve in notebook. All of you understood? Okay, thank you.